In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix changing number format on Google Sheets. If you've ever typed something like 01234 and watched that first zero disappear the moment you press enter, you're seeing Google Sheets do exactly what it's designed to do by default. Treat anything that looks like a number as a number. That's helpful for math, but not so great for things like zip codes, product IDs, or codes that must keep their leading zeros. Let's walk through how to prevent that. Start by heading to Google in your browser. At the top right, click the grid-shaped icon to open the Google Apps menu and choose Sheets. Once Sheets loads, open the spreadsheet you want to work with. In your sheet, try this quick demonstration so you can see the issue in action. Click into a blank cell, type 01234, and press Enter. You'll notice the cell now shows 1234 without the leading zero. That happened because the cell is using an automatic number format, and Sheets assumes you meant a numeric value. Let's fix it so your entries stay exactly as you type them. Select the cell, a range of cells, or even an entire column where you plan to enter values that need to retain their exact appearance. On the toolbar, look for the Format menu that shows 123. That's the number format control. Click it to open the list of formats, and then choose Plain Text. Plain text tells Sheets not to interpret what you type as a number, a date, or anything else. It will keep the characters exactly as entered. Now click back into a cell in that formatted area and type 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 01234, and press Enter. This time the leading zero remains. From here on out, whatever you type into those plain text cells won't be automatically changed by Sheets. A quick note, if you already lost leading zeros in cells that were previously formatted as numbers, switching to plain text won't magically bring them back, because Sheets can't guess what those missing zeros were. You'll need to retype or paste the correct values after setting the format to plain text. Also, keep in mind that plain text cells won't behave like numbers for calculations, so reserve this format for things like codes and identifiers. If you later need to do math in other cells, you can switch those back to automatic or a specific number format. That's it. By opening your sheet, demonstrating the issue, choosing the 123 format menu, and selecting plain text, you've stopped Sheets from changing your entries. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.